Yo, what's good YouTube, man? It's your boy Morvay, and I'm back once again with another banger video. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I am installing SRT pages on my Chrysler 300. Right now it's currently 9:08 p.m. I just left work and I have to go and meet the guy. He's like 30 minutes away, but big shout out to this guy because I had found out about him through a Facebook marketplace guy, and he told me about him. And basically I texted him and I'm like, yo, can I get the SRT pages done today? He was like, yeah. I thought he was in Raleigh because that's where I work and that's where the guy on Facebook was. Turns out he was in South Carolina, Greenville, 4 hours away, and he was only going to charge me $150. So I was like, yo, can I get it done today? Assuming he was in Raleigh. He was like, yeah, but I'm 4 hours away. So then I was like, shit, because I thought I wasn't going to be able to get it done. But he said, I'll drive 4 hours to you right now if you want to get it done. So I told him, bet. So he's going to drive 4 hours to me. But then I felt a little bad, so I told him, like, I'll meet you a little closer. So I'm driving like 30 minutes closer to him. So he still drove 3.5 hours. But I'm driving 30 minutes closer to him so we can get these SRT pages installed. I don't know him like that, so I'm not going to record him doing it. But I am going to show you the after and everything that comes with it. So with that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let's get it.
Make back, but I ain't got a chauffeur. I'm in it for the bread, put you in a toaster. Hey, yes sir. Hey, got a little older, was a young flexer. You know.
Y'all, so it's the next morning. As y'all seen last night, we were going to get the SRT pages. Don't mind me if I look crazy. I literally just woke up, brushed my teeth. The guy said last night that the pages may take up to 2 hours to load. And I didn't wait 2 hours before I went to sleep, so I didn't get to see him last night. He texted me this morning and said that the pages should be up, so we're about to go see now. Damn water bottle leaking off the rip. But y'all know it's not a Morvay video if you don't get a cold start. Even though I cold started it, I turned it off so that I could show y'all the startup screen. Hold on, I gotta lock it, make it go away or something. Oh, boom. SRT pages. Woo! Woo! Oh! 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 Nah, that's OD. Word. I don't even know, like, what else, like. Launch control, activate launch control, valet, SRT dashboard, what? Nah, this is OD. Performance pages. Something's happening. I know when I press traction, boom, boom. I don't know what this is. Word. Ooh. Ooh. Nah, I gotta get POV drive now. Alright, y'all, so we are in track mode. I don't really know, like, I know track mode is supposed to be like better than sport, faster than sport, so yeah. Woo! It feels a little different. And I noticed that traction control is off while you're in track mode. So I'm assuming you got to be more careful, because it is like not shifting as hard, or shifting harder when I'm in track mode. Oh yeah, it's taken to like 6 RPMs at least before it shifts in track. Let me show y'all what happens if I go here. It'll show me my horsepower as I'm driving. Once I hit it, hold on. About to try to use these paddles on y'all boys though. Hold on. If I get out of this curve. So that was track mode. I'm pretty sure sport is literally just the same thing, but less powerful. Y'all correct me if I'm wrong in the chat, but yeah, man, this shit is pretty fire. If I do figure out anything else that is different, because I honestly, like, I knew I was getting pages and performance pages and SRT pages, but like I didn't know what all it came with. So if I do figure out anything else, I will let y'all know and get back to y'all. Y'all, what I figured out on this drive to work is that when I'm in track, my steering wheel is hella loose and there's no traction control at all. So I think if I wanted to, I could spin a little better in track mode, which is fire. When I'm in sport mode, my steering wheel is stiff as hell. Like, that shit barely turn. And then I haven't built a custom mode yet, but I think what I'll do for custom mode, I'll put traction, track, transmission, track, steering, sport, so that the steering wheel stays stiff. Another thing I noticed is that in track mode, it does not shift to the next gear until like 6 RPMs. So it really waits until, I guess, the last second so that you could get the good speed that you want to get up to. And then race options is your launch control. You could turn up and turn down how much RPMs you want to start your launch control at, and then just launch this bitch. But I'm not gonna launch it. Or should I launch it for the video? If I launch it, it'll have to be later because I am on the way to work right now. And I ain't gonna lie, I don't know how to launch. currently in track mode. Let me. This is my custom track street, but for the video purposes we're going to be driving in track mode. Let me know down in the comments below if this was a W purchase, because to me I think it was. Even like if y'all don't notice anything, just the aesthetic, just the look. I love the loose steering wheel. Like, I feel like I could really just wiggle this joint and get around. Like, I'm barely touching it. But if I'm here, god damn, this is me barely touching it. Also, y'all, I don't know where y'all are all from, but I'm in Raleigh, North Carolina, and I heard that in Raleigh we have undercover hellcat police cars, which is insanity. Undercover hellcat police cars. And in my group chat they sent an undercover Chrysler police car with a car group sticker on the back windshield. So y'all boys be careful, man, because if y'all get on the highway and try to line up beside one of these hellcats or one of these police cars, then we're cooked. CJ, I'll call you right back. I'm recording. Stop calling me.